to nobody.
What are you doing besides having babies with yourself?
Turning up the volume on my phone.
Huh?
I said turning up the volume on my phone.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. God, I just want to ask.
Bah, I got pizza in my mouth.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
The world just might end.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. In 2012, it's gonna end.
Says who?
Says, when it's supposed to end, Adam.
Who wrote that?
I don't know.
Where'd you hear it?
Annie?
Annie. Annie told you this?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna kill Annie.
No!
Yes!
I love Annie.
Oh, fine, we'll keep her. She's a keeper. Isn't she?
You know Melissa loves you.
I love Marissa. I do, I do.
You love her more than you love me.
Duh. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh
I
my
love
God,
you.
I
Bloop.
can't believe you said that.
Weird. I'm looking at Chicago on my phone and talking to Sharon Miramontes. Mira, look.
Mira.
Mira, look. Oh, look, you can see the reflection of me. Haha, look at that. Super fantastic. Why would you want to see this, though? Whoa, maybe, huh? What?
Did you buy a case?
Not yet. Wow, this is so cool looking. Where are you going?
To go, because it's Pontiac's
Okay.
last night.
I'm cutting this video. Yo, peace. This video is entitled Pumpkin. Dun. Because I made a pumpkin on my phone.
He barks and crawls
Yeah, that's good.
in your mind.
And I can turn his volume up.
Change it to different ones. And then your very iPhone
Do
will
it.
be yours.
That's an owl. And I meant to say wolf.
Have you ever sneezed on camera? And then your
Shake it
very
like
new
a Polaroid
iPod
picture.
will be yours
Change his
for
nose.
the end of time.
Change his nose.
With
Different
the
nose.
chopstick.
Ah, no.
You
not
could do it.
chopsticks.
Whatever.
No.
I ate this whole, like, from there to the bottom of this, of this frosting.
Oh,
With this
this is me
for like 2 hours when I was high.
holding this camera.
Which one does he do?
Face.
Oh, great! Christmas, Halloween stuff! Yeah!
This is funny. You look at this.
You're gay. You taken up all the room. Get out of here. Look at this. I stabbed it. Wait, don't turn it off yet. I want to show them what I'm talking about.
I was gonna kind of right there, and it was gonna be delicious.
Yeah, feel it.
It's freaking me out too.
Oh man, it's wrapped it again. Wait. Stop it, it's funny.